Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Seminyak area on Kayu Aya Street and Patitanga Street on 7 December 2021. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in Seminyak area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Seminyak area on 7 December 2021. I got good news today. Actually, our government planning, Indonesia will be locked down start from 24 December until 4 January. But they planning cancel. That's a good news. Okay guys, now we turn right. We will explore Kayu Aya Street. Now we are in Kayu Aya Street. On this video, I make video around 10 minutes without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Seminyak area on Kayu Aya Street until Patitanga Street. Now we can see together right side and left side there is a lot of shop starting open. And this area look getting better. It's me like getting busy. Actually, I gonna say in Kayu Aya Street is very famous for shopping area because in this area there is one big mall we call Seminyak Square and Seminyak Village, and also we have art market there. So that's why in this area is very famous because they sell like European style. And also in this area there is some very famous restaurant. We call famous restaurant Ultimo and Job. And also in this area there is some hotel. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Kayu Aya Street. If you see the weather today, it's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very clear, very hot. It's around 30 degrees today. And Bali now like bit humid because in raining season. Okay, you see at the front there is a lot of car and motorbike drive around on this route, and some car parking beside the street. That's really good. Now we are nearby central of Seminyak. It's look bit busy, isn't it? Actually, this channel is like new channel because before I have another channel we call Bali Van Java. So this is another channel. We upload daily video every day in the afternoon, and Bali Van Java daily video in the morning. Okay guys, you can see at the front there is Seminyak Village, and in this area is very busy because this is a central of Seminyak area. Yeah, there's some car parking inside Seminyak Square. That's good. Okay guys, now we're still in Kayu Aya Street. Actually, I gonna say Bali now try to get up because now there is a lot of shops starting open. As we know together, Bali is still very quiet. Since international border open, there is no flight come to Bali. You see at the front left side? Yes, there is some shop starting open. This is art market in Seminyak. And today I see there is some people prepared to open their shop. That's really good news. And I got a customer from other country, from Australia and from Europe, Kenya. They already booking to fly to Bali on June next year. We hope very soonly our government will be make the new rule. It will be good for international traveler. We hope together for the future there will be no quarantine anymore, and insurance is put the low down price. So that's why there is a lot of traveler will come to Bali and help economic for Bali for sure. You can see left side, there is the Seminyak Resort. It's the big resort in this area. And this resort is connecting by the beach. So So that's why in the afternoon there is have like beach club, so you can enjoy your drink during the sunset. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Kayu Aya Street. In this area looks so quiet, isn't it? Because in this area there is not so many shops. There is only some hotels, villa, resort, and some restaurant. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because I believe there is a lot of people missing this area, because since the pandemic they hard to come to Bali. And also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic. See circus right side? Yeah, still look quiet. Okay guys, if I turn right at the front, there's the way to go to Central Seminyak. But I turn left to continue driving and we will explore Patitanga Street. You see the gate left side? That is the gate to go to Petitenget Beach. And now we are in Patatanga Street. You see this area? How beautiful it is. Very green and blue sky. And very clean. But the problem, there is not so many people walk around on the sidewalk. Because usually in this area, there is some people walk around on the sidewalk, because usually the people who stay in this area, they go to Patitanga Beach by walk. But today, yeah, it is still very quiet. Oh, you see left side? There is some car parking there. That's really good. It looks busy, isn't it? If you see how the situation in this area 2 months ago is really empty, because Bali was in lockdown. But now Bali getting better and better. And we see together, now there is a lot of shop and hotel are open. And there is some people walk around on the sidewalk. That's good. And some taxi parking there. And also I see there is a lot of tourists driving by motorbike. Yeah, also there are tourists on yellow bike. And also for information, if international tourism want to come to Bali, they must be quarantined for 10 days. Before was 4 days and now become 10 days. Because there is new virus find it, we call Unicom. So that's why our government say if you come to Bali, you must be quarantined for 10 days. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Patitanga Street. If I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to Villa area in Seminyak. And also I will explore that area next day. So far, this way is a bit busy. I mean like much better than few months ago. There is a lot of car and motorbike drive around in this area. And also, the driver is the tourist. I'm really happy to see that. Look, getting better and better. You see at the front road side? Yeah, there is a tourist driving motorbike. So many tourists driving motorbike in Bali now. They just rent the motorbike from the villa or hotel and they drive by themselves. Because to hire motorbike in Bali is not so expensive. Left side, there is hotel and lot of car parking there. That's really good. So what do you think about Seminyak area? It's getting better, isn't it? There is more people activity on the road, and there is more shop are open and also hotel open. That's really good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video and don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.